Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from PrizePicks to Cash App. So in this video I will show you the step-by-step process to get your money quickly and easily into Cash App from PrizePicks. So first of all we'll have to withdraw our money from PrizePicks to our debit or credit card or PayPal or any of the methods that is available in Cash App. You'll have to simply open the PrizePicks application. Before you move on to the next step, make sure you have met the playthrough requirement, which means using your total deposit once. Along with that, your withdrawal amount must be $10 or more. From here, you need to look for this hamburger icon in the top left corner to access menu options. Now, from the list of options, scroll down and tap on Request Withdrawal. On the next screen, select the withdrawal method to proceed further. It can be your approved bank account, PayPal, or debit card that you previously used to deposit money in PrizePicks. For this time, I will go with the debit card option. Next, enter in the amount you want to withdraw and then tap on the withdraw option right over here. You will then receive a one-time password through email for verification. Once you're done with the verification process, PrizePicks will process your request and send you a confirmation email letting you know if the transaction was successful. So, once the money is in PayPal or your bank, simply open the Cash App on your mobile phone, then tap Add Cash and transfer the money to your Cash App balance. And that's it. Your PrizePicks winnings are now in the Cash App. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.